I'm not angry, I'm hurt. I feel like Joseph, whose brothers actually threw him in the pit, and they ended up selling him, because I've been working with my colleagues and we've been working very well, but for my colleagues to turn on me the way they turned on me, that's beyond me.
So you're saying Masemola betrayed you?
Are you saying who betrayed you? Because already
my colleagues betrayed me.
Who betrayed you?
Including him. The last time I was with the National Commissioner, we were fine. The last time I saw him, we were okay.
Has he been to your compound?
Many times.
Ian, are you going to challenge the search and seizure warrant in a court of law?
We've been at this for about an hour and a half now. I don't want to, if I started giving my thoughts on this process after 1.5 hours without giving proper and respectful advice to my clients, it would be ludicrous. So what I can say to you is that we will fully investigate and interrogate what has happened today. And we will, once the application, which wasn't served on us, I must just say, which I will raise in court, we want the affidavit which gave rise to the search and seizure. That hasn't been given to us, and I publicly called for that.
Did they tell you what they're busy investigating and why they're here?
Effectively, what they did was they gave us the search and seizure warrant.
And what does it say, sir?
There's about 4, 5, or 6 pages there, but it's essentially with regard to investigations into alleged defeats of justice and things that have been in the media. There's nothing new.
Money laundering, corruption, all those charges, everything they could find.
Is that what's contained in that particular document that was brought here? You seem like someone who feels. You say you were betrayed by your colleagues, General Sibiya. You say Masemola, then there's the police commissioner, of course, who's at home. Sorry, the police minister who is at home. Why do you think your colleagues would want to throw you under the bus? Do you believe in your innocence? Do you believe that on Monday, when you appear before the ad hoc committee, you will tell your side of the story?
I was hoping that this will go that way, where I'll be given a chance as well to participate. But along the way, I can also see the anger in General Mkhwanazi, the vengeance, the weight. Even when he speaks, I will think that he is past me, but every 5 seconds, he will go back to me again, and then he will talk about others, then he will go back to me again. It's okay. Let me go through the process. Let us meet on the other side of the fence. What I can say is that all I'm asking is that if, let's say, they are planning to come and arrest me, I've got a lawyer. I must tell him to come and hand me over. Or if they come in to arrest me, let them not come at 3 o'clock in the early hours of the morning, so that someone can shoot me and kill me and say he was reaching out for a gun, so we took him down. What I'm asking is that let it be done in a fair way.